All right, so inspired by their courage, unwavering, and resilient spirits, we have a Feel Good Friday story for you. Winche Barrett is joined by her mom, Tamara Logan, and Felicia Prussia, I hope I pronounced that, is joined by her dad, Corianne. And those names might sound familiar to you based on recent news events, and they're all joined by the organizer of the Gift Giving Initiative, Sean Wenzel, which is the reason we're actually doing this for these wonderful and outstanding young ladies. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Smile Jamaica.
Morning.
That's Sean. Where's everyone else?
Good morning.
Winche, good morning.
Good morning.
Hello, Tamara.
Hi, Simone. Good morning.
Hi, Felicia.
Hi, good morning.
Hi, Corianne. So they're joining us by phone. Sean?
Hi.
Yeah, Sean, let us start with you, Sean, and then this great initiative. Tell me where this came from. I mean, you heard the story, what you wanted to do for these young ladies.
Yeah, so it's an interesting how it started out. When Felicia was rescued, I was sitting out here on my veranda at about 5. I woke up, couldn't sleep, sitting out here at about 5 in the morning, and I had this idea, and I typed a tweet, and I said, I wish someone in the family would come up with a wish list that we could donate to for the 2 girls. And went back to bed, woke up, her cousin in Canada had reached out to me, and he put me in touch with Felicia's sister. And this was on just the day after Felicia had been rescued. And Felicia loved the idea. I started working on it that weekend. I just ran with it. When Winche got rescued as well, I quickly got back in touch with her family and included her in the initiative as well. So we've gotten a lot of traction. Basically, the concept is they've gone through an experience that I think most people would not wish on their worst enemy. But that's in the past, and that's not their fault. And it's something that I think them being able to just get something positive to think about, allow people to show love to them will just help the healing process.
Yeah. Tamara? Well, first, let me ask, Winche,
Yes,
how are you today?
I am thankful and I am well, thank you. How are you?
Oh, I am good, and I am grateful that you are here. You have been through a rough time, so to hear you say you're grateful is very moving. Felicia, how are you?
I am okay.
You're doing okay.
Yes.
You're getting lots of support from mommy and everybody around you?
Yes.
Excellent. Tamara, tell me how it's been for you as Winche's mom. Very few of us can imagine, none of us can imagine what it's like to have your child abducted, but the blessing to have your child back. What has it been like for your family since her return? The whole ordeal, as a matter of fact, but especially now.
Since her return, it's one of the most joyful feeling, the happiest moment of my life, that is.
Yeah.
Families and friends, they're in support. They're supporting us to the fullest. And words can't explain how thankful that is I am for them being around supporting us.
Fantastic. Winche, can you hear me?
Yes, Uncle Neville.
You have any questions that you want to ask Uncle Neville or Auntie Simone?
What's it like being a TV host?
Oh, you do have questions.
You do have a question. Well, for me, when I'm working alone, it is fantastic. So
I knew before you said it. I knew he was going to say that.
I'm joking. It's a privilege for us. It's a privilege. I think I can speak for Simone when I say that. It's a privilege to be here.
Especially
great.
when we get to talk to people like you guys.
It's great to hear that people will see me and they laugh, and that's fantastic for us that we can make people laugh and have some fun. Any other question, Felicia? Any question from you?
Yes.
Go ahead.
How are you today?
Oh,
I am well, give thanks. I can't complain. I'm here. I had a birthday recently, and I have to thank God for that I'm still here. We've lost a lot of friends, and Simone probably didn't want me to bring this up, but she actually lost her mom. So it's just fantastic that we're both here. And as Sim said, to be speaking with you now is probably going to be the best part of my day today.
absolutely. Well, our year, to be
Yeah,
honest,
so
because we
I'm
were all
fantastic.
so vested in
Yeah,
what was
man.
going on.
Yeah,
Is
man.
your mom there, Felicia? Is Corian there?
It was her dad, Korean.
Oh, it's his dad.
Yeah,
Corian, are you there? So let me ask Tamara before we go back to Sean. Tamara, how does it feel when you know that people like Sean and other people are just pouring into your family and doing all they can do to ensure that the rest of your daughter's life is positively impacted, that Felicia's life is positively impacted by the love and support, not only the coming together of the community, who was incredible in St. Thomas, but just the kindness of strangers?
Well, it's a very, very good feeling, because not knowing who Sean and the other people who I don't know who came out in support, it it is a very good feeling.
Yeah.
Sure.
We want to show you something, but I have another question to you, to the youngsters. Winche, you first. What you want to be when you get, well, I was going to say get old like Uncle Neville, but don't no. You have to, what you want to be when you grow up?
I am always fascinated with the planets, the moon, and the stars and such. I'd like to be an astronomer.
Oh, fantastic.
Wow.
Felicia, have you started to think about what you want to be yet?
Yes,
What you want to be?
I would either rather want to be a teacher or a nurse.
Oh.
Oh, fantastic. And one more question to Winche before we go. Tell me what you think adults should do for children.
It is said that a village raises a child. Adults, irrespective if the child is there, should care for the children by fostering a bind where children can readily express themselves. Support a child's hope and dreams and don't belittle their dreams.
Oh, fantastic. Winche, you want me to start crying this
I'm
morning?
telling you, this is
All right. We're going to go
honestly.
back. We're going to go back to Sean, and just to say thanks for some folks. Here's what we want to show you now. We have some gifts, and you heard Sean earlier, courtesy
Wow.
of Sean. We have gift baskets, courtesy of Maya's Legacy Jamaica Limited. We have a bicycle here from Security Pro Limited. We have some laptops from the NCB Foundation here for you. So we have some wonderful stuff for you guys. And we have, tell me that again, Unique. Okay, and we also have a video to show you before we go back. This is from NCB.
So, Felissa and Winche, NCB Foundation is really happy to be able to present to you today these two laptops that we know that you will make great use of to further your education and to continue living your best lives.
Delia Lynn, fantastic, fantastic. I don't know if you saw it, guys, but I'm sure our producer will tell you guys how to collect your gifts. Fantastic this morning. Sean, thanks again, Sean. Thank you so much for being with us this morning and this amazing job that you have done for these two young ladies.
And I want to think, Sean, that you're not finished, are you?
No,
if
not
folks
finished.
Still, right.
Not finished at all. There's still a lot of work that needs to be done. But yeah, I'm very grateful to the support that everyone's given and the support that we've gotten here. It's only too bad that the girls are only on by voice. I think the look on their faces a few minutes ago would have been quite remarkable.
Maybe in time.
Maybe in time.
In time. Mommy Tam, is there anything else that your daughter needs, that Felicia would need, you think, that, we can try and get this morning? And I don't necessarily mean things. I mean support, counseling, therapy. Is there anything that we can do to help the situation? Tamara, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Go ahead.
Well, she has counseling until December 1. So instead of getting another counselor right now, another counselor after December 1 would be good.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
There you
That
go.
sounds very doable.
By the way, I think we have a bank account information. If
Okay.
anyone,
Yes.
if anyone else wants to help, I think we will put it up on the lower third, so it will come up. There you go. The Morant Bay branch, the account number there. In case you're just listening and you're not watching us this morning, 644-480-631. Those are the numbers for the bank account. So if you want to help some more, then please feel free. Winche, Felicia, we love you. We love you so much, and we thank you so much for being a part of our program this morning. Tamara, thank you for allowing your daughter to speak with us this morning, and God bless everyone. And just look after yourselves, all right?
And Sean, big up
Yep.
yourself.
Yep.
Thank you.
All right, take care. Winche Barrett, her mom, Tamara Logan, Felicia Prussia. I hope I pronounced that right. And the organizer for the gift giving initiative, Mr. Sean Wenzel. What a great story.
I think
This part of the story, what a fantastic story.
I'd like to deal with the counseling for
Winche.
Winche.
Yeah.
So, Mommy, you and I will talk and see what we can arrange. Okay?
All right, folks.
Okay.
Why? Mom start crying this morning. So come, stay with us, please.